Vehicles perform a vital role in this busy society for various important things, for health and emergencies, and so many purposes like transportation of things, materials, people and so many things which is hard to transport through manpower. It is also used for commuting from one place to another and protects privacy. Some people also consider vehicles as for their social status. It reduces the rush in public transportations or time saver rather being stuck in the traffic and become late to reach the destinations. Types of vehicles. The types of vehicles are classified depends on their uses and purpose of manufacturing like transportation vehicles. Emergency-based vehicles, goods-carrying vehicles like wagons, trucks, luxury vehicles for personal uses like cars and bikes, vehicles made for machinery work purposes like cranes and forks, sports vehicles like F1 cars, motorcycles and motorbikes, off-road vehicles for mountain purposes, and also modified cargo-based motorcraft vehicles which are used to fly in the air like aircraft, spacecraft and to run in water also like watercraft. List of vehicles: bullock cart, carriage, van, car, jeep, motorbike, motorcycle, off-road bike, scooter, taxi, bus, ambulance, caravan, coach, bicycle, tricycle, pedicab, double-decker bus, convertible car, police car, formula car, pickup truck, limousine, auto rickshaw, quad, fire engine, cranes, forklift, manlift, tractor, trucks, dumper truck, black hole ladder, bulldozer, excavator, road roller, cement mixer, train, wagon, vehicle, boat, cruiser, shipraft, hovercraft, tram, hot air balloon, aircraft, jet plane, spacecraft, helicopter, rope, tram, vehicle, locomotive, subway, glider, submarine ship. Details of vehicles. Bullock cart. Bullock carts are ancient transport vehicles pulled with bullocks used to take heavy loaded things from one place to another. Carriage. Carriage is a cart made up of wood and pulled with horses in ancient times, used in royal family trips. Van. Van is a type of road vehicle used for transport goods and people depending on its size. Car. Car is a vehicle used for personal use and considered as a luxurious status. Motorbike. Motorbikes are two-wheeled bicycles with motors and used for riding and other needed works. Off-road bike. Off-road bikes are used in riding bikes in valleys, mountains, and some dirty and rocky roads. Taxi. Taxi is a type of car used as a mode of transportation of people to different places. Bus. The bus is a large transport vehicle used to take more people at a time from one place to another. Ambulance. An ambulance is a medical van mostly used for emergency services. Bicycle. Bicycles are eco-friendly vehicles that have two wheels and runs through pedals. Tricycle. Tricycles are for kids which has three wheels and also eco-friendly vehicle. Pedicab. A pedicab is a three-wheeled cab used as a public transport vehicle that is pulled by the driver with pedals. It is also called a human rickshaw. Double-decker bus. A double-decker bus is a bus that has a double deck above a normal bus. It is made to transport more people in a single run. Convertible car. These cars have the function of the slide and open roof portion and make a car an open sitting car. Formula car. Formula car is also called as F1 cars because the only person, driver, can sit and are made very flat with minimum ground clearance, used only for racing purposes. Limousine. Limousine is a long luxurious car with the best inbuilt features that are only made on special requirements for special and royal persons. Auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaws are three-wheeled motor vehicles used as cab or taxi services. There are no doors in this vehicle. Fire engine. Fire engines are emergency fire extinguishing vehicle which has water tankers and pressure pumps to spray water and also contains a slide folded ladder on the top. Cranes. Cranes are used for lifting heavy materials, equipment from the ground to high places lifted using crane ropes in construction places or to lift heavy roadside accidental vehicles. Forklift. Forklifts are vehicles with two sliding forks in front used for lifting logistic materials and other goods to load or unload to different places. Manlift. Manlift is a vehicle that has folded large arms used to lift people to high places for observation, and inspection of things, or cleaning hidden things, buildings, large poles, etc. Tractor. Tractors are heavily loaded vehicles mostly used for agricultural purposes having no compressing shock ups. All four wheels are visible to the driver. Dumper truck. Trucks that are used for dumping purposes are called dumping trucks. Excavator. Excavators are used to excavating the soil, digging in the construction area. Road roller. Road rollers are heavy vehicles mainly used to roll the newly made roads to flatten the road surface. Cement mixer. A cement mixer is an advanced machinery vehicle used for making a mixture of cement for construction purposes, makes work easier and faster. Train. Trains are the vehicles that run on the tracks whose wheels are called bogies made up of heavy iron. It is mainly used for transportation purposes. Boat. Boats are wooden-type structures so designed to float on the surface of the water and used to transport people in small water bodies. Ship. Ships are made from metals and so designed that they can easily float on water and travel from one location to another with the help of propeller-type motor engines. Used for commercial purposes. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloons are used for transportation which flies on injecting hot air in a large balloon. Airplane. Airplanes are flying crafts that are used for transport purposes in air medium. These are the best inventions made by humans. Spacecraft. Spacecrafts are so advanced vehicles that are built to travel in space in the aeronautical fields to study space. Rope tram vehicle. The rope tram is a vehicle that is used to run on ropes above the ground level so connected with the help of poles or towers. Especially used in mountain areas or hill stations. Subway. Subways are like metro trains used as underground transportation in metro cities to avoid the disturbances of the city. Submarine ship. The submarines are the advanced underground ships that were run by Navy officers, operates for defense work of the nation which sinks at the depth of oceans, seas and protects from other water enemies.